Shabbos, this Parashat Chukat, it's talking about chok, a rule. And one of the rules is what is Pora Aduma, the red cow. And everybody understands that the red cow is something very interesting. The person that, the priest that throws, the coin that throws the dirt, he becomes impure. And the person that the dirt is, the water throws on him, he becomes pure. Okay? We have to understand that it's a chok, something that it's above our understanding. We have to follow through. But the question is, why Poro and Adum? Why is that the red cow? What is that trying to give us a message? So it's brought in the Darkei Moshe on Shulchan Aruch that the nature of the animal, it really, in a certain way, has a certain message for us as a human being. Because the red cow, when she's young, if you do tell like that with the hand, and nature is what? To bell down. To take our eyes down. It's called in English humbleness. Anova. The red cow, it gives us that symbol of what? To know when she's pure. How you know she's pure? Because if you go like this, the eyes are down. The minute she puts her old yoke on herself, so she said, I put the yoke, I'm carrying the thing, I have something over here for me, right away her eyes go up. Already it changed the nature. The Torah Kedusha tells us, listen, you want to bring Pora Aduma, it's not just bringing the cow and that's all. It's a message to the human being. Listen, you have to be humble. It's not just giving the cow. It's the message for the person to be humble. Be at least, have a mirror to be like the cow. As she's young and she's pure, what she gives us a message? She's humble. She takes her eyes down. She knows how to bow down to the master. And if we take that message to bow down to the master, to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we really gain that all the sins will be forgiven. Have a good Shabbos.